Whoopsies, I forgot to start recording.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone.
You gonna... Oh, duh. Come on. It's too difficult to pick things up in this game. Oh, same thing. Still learning. That's the first meds I've seen? Oh, I guess there were these.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Come on. Hmm.
Be advised, further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Alright, well, should I just camp? I don't have a suppressor. I mean, it does make sense to just camp,
Circle collapse imminent.
since I'm playing
Get to safety.
duos by myself. Get another win here. Just got a win in Fortnite. If I get a win here, that'll be 2 wins in a row in 2 different survival games. That'll be pretty cool, right? Okay, so we can work on some of this stuff. I can go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. We can push it over just a little bit. Let me see here. Oh wait, no.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Quick.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
I like that. All right. I've got a hump. Not what I meant to do. Did I check over here? I don't think I checked back over here. Not that I need anything. I really don't need anything. Oh, I need to do that. I could use some more ammo And a stock. I thought I picked a stock up. I guess not. Alright, so...
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Oh, that'd suck if there were players right there.
Supply drop inbound.
Get out! Get out! I hate when it ends over here. I don't have the guns. I don't have a sniper rifle. It's so dumb when it ends in the middle of nowhere. You can do it! You... What? What do you mean return to combat zone? I'm sorry? Look at the map! Look at the map, you stupid game! Oh look, another thing I gotta tag Activision in. Like, what? This is not out of zone. I'm gonna get freaking sniped.
Be advised, further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
They can't see me. They can't see me. Why is the sneaky squirrel? They can't see the sneaky squirrel. They can't see the sneaky squirrel.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
I'm totally low crawling. Really wish I had a sniper rifle. I guess I could have went and looked for one instead of hanging out in that building for a couple minutes. But the chances of finding one, I mean, your best chance of finding one is to kill somebody.
Net call. Supply drop incoming. Be advised, further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Can I low crawl this whole thing? Probably not. If I win, so many people on YouTube be like, "Oh, you camper, blah 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 blah." What do you want me to do? Run around, get sniped? By myself, versus duos. Leave me alone.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
What? If I had a suppressor. It'd be a lot easier. Stop it! I hope my head isn't sticking over the top of this. I maybe should have put that just a little
Be
bit farther.
advised, further collapse
Oh,
expected.
no.
Relocate to safe zone.
Oh, that's a bad guy. God damn it.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Jesus. Where the heck is this guy shooting at me from? Stop shooting at me! Oh, I have no armor. I'm done. I have no armor. I'm done. Jesus. Terrible. Can I throw a grenade that far? Come on!
Net call. Major instability detected. Safe zone evac orders.
Resistance has
Mission area secure.
Oh boy. Awesome. Awesome victory. That means I just won a game in Fortnite and then came over and won a game directly after in this. That's awesome. That's amazing. Wow, that's fun. Go ahead and write in the comments if you want. Oh, you're done with camp. Oh, you're done with camp. You're just jealous. You're just jealous, bitches. You're just jealous you can't win duos by yourself consistently right after you go win Fortnite. Not by yourself. But hey, a win's a win, bitches. 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 Yeah, well, if you like this video, do the whole liking and sharing and subscribing and, you know, click the buttons, man. Click them buttons. Let's see, 3 kills. So I didn't get to the very end. 692 damage to players. I got one from 50 meters away. Pretty sweet. I'm happy with that. Right on. Well, thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Microwave Dave signing out.